We are continuing our online guided tours for CeMAT Asia 2021. Now we are at W5 Pavilion, which is fully packed with the companies who are specializing on forklift trucks. And now we are having really big booth, which is for company Hangcha. They are coming from Hangzhou, and they're one of the biggest Chinese company forklift producers. So let's check out this company more. And now with me is Judy Tan, who is sales manager of Hangcha Group. Hi Judy, how are you?
Hello Alexander, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So can you tell us about the theme that Hangcha Group came to CeMAT Asia this year?
Okay, in this year, Hangcha, the theme says green. Green factories, green product, and green service. Yeah.
That's a really good theme.
Yeah.
Are there any new products that you brought to the exhibition?
Yes, and in the exhibitions, we showing the 20 units, the forklift, and also AGV product, and also clean machines. Yeah, and so please follow with me.
Okay.
Yeah, I was showing the high voltage, the electrical forklift, and also we have the visual is AGV's the product, and also we have the clean the machinery is there. Yeah, opposite we can see it, and also we have the specialist, the rich truck, special lithium, the rich truck. Yeah, and also another the special the new product and in the different field. Yeah.
Okay. Next question.
Okay.
How do you think your product of Hangcha Group can help the whole industry to develop more?
Yeah, it's the leading of companies. So Hangcha is understanding our own responsibilities, and to showing the Hangcha the lithium, the battery technology and product, and also we said it's the high voltage is the lithium, the forklift, and also the visual navigations, AGV assistant. So this is it's said to be said is the core of the Hangcha's industry. Yeah. And also, we say Hangcha can provide the annual product capacities is 300,000. Is the
Wow, a lot.
Is the production capacities for industry vehicle and another equipment product. Yeah. In recent years, Hangcha Group has established in the 5G network, industry internet, and large datos integrated intelligent forklift factory, realized automated assembly, welding, painting, and logistics. At present, the company has nearly 500 intelligent robots, 20 intelligent integrated production line, and 10 bearings assembly line, and 20 AGVs intelligent logistical vehicle, 5 cent intelligent warehouse. So forming the annual production capacity 300,000 units for industry vehicles and another logistic equipment.
And Judy, please tell us, at the present in our world, 5G's, artificial intellect and big data and other new generation information technologies are entering our life everywhere.
Yeah.
So how will your company cater to development of new technologies, and what's the direction of your R&D and technology development?
Yeah. So surely, Hangcha carried out the strategy plan and also the transport of our products and also our technologies. And in this year, our company has implemented the product new energies for the full product range. Yeah, like lithium, the battery, and also the hydrogen, the fuel cell. Yeah, we will keep the make the key the breakthroughs in the research of the forklift industry, like we said is comfort, and also the service, and also we said is serving the green energies, the new energy, and the digital research and development technology. Yeah.
Let's talk about the service.
Yeah.
What kind of service Hangcha Group is providing to their customers, additional to the product?
Yeah. As we know, the high qualities is determined the custom is choose to Hangcha, and good service is make the Hangcha win the custom the loyalties.
Okay.
And so this time we set up the 100 the sales subsidiary and office in the China. Yeah.
Wow.
And also we authorized 260 the distributors in Chinese market, and Hangcha also founded the 5 overseas companies in Germany and in America and Canada and Thailand. And in this year we also set up our service centers in Netherlands. So it's like yes. So we also have the more than the 70 the overseas distributors and provided the local sales and service for the end users. Yeah.
Okay.
To be sum up, Hangcha service the features. So including we have service the hotline, and also we have active mandatory the maintenance service. Also we have the post the maintenance operation the QR code. Yeah, and also we said is to visit the key account custom, and also the we say our marketing the assistant app. Yeah, and for after service the online to collection. So this is we said is Hangcha provided this our features the service to the market. Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you for your introductions. It is always a pleasure to see your company every year at CeMAT Asia. Last year I remember I interviewed your company as well. And I wish you really good luck with establishing new subsidiary, new company in Netherlands. And I see you next year.
Okay, thank you. See you next year.
See you next year.
Yeah, see you.